Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the MyToast app is and how it's positioned. The MyToast app is an employee experience tool developed by Toast Incorporated for team members at restaurants that use the Toast platform. It allows users to see their scheduled shifts, clock in and clock out details, break times, and tips earned for past work. Team members who are paid through Toast Payroll can view earnings by shift and pay period within the app. MyToast also lets employees access their Form W2 directly from the Account tab once it's available for the year. If restaurants enable the Toast Pay Card program, users can order and activate a pay card to get early access to a portion of their pay through Toast payouts. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The App Shifts tab can show summaries of work completed, and if specific Toast modules are used, it may show scheduling features or management tools like offering and picking up open shifts. The Pay tab offers access to paychecks, downloadable pay stubs, and tax forms like W2s when supported by the employer's payroll setup. Employees whose restaurants participate in the Toast Pay Card and Payouts program can manage and transfer pay card funds as permitted by their employer's policies. This app may be useful for restaurant staff who need a mobile way to check schedules, earnings, tips, and payroll documents. For workers interested in accessing shift details and pay information in one place, this could be an option depending on how their employer configures Toast services. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.